Hello, my name is Matt, a Senior Solutions Consultant at Quovim C3, an Aspect Software Authorized Channel Partner. And this is our Aspect Software Troubleshooting Tip number 3. We had a user write in asking, how do I change the day-week factor for a forecasting group? Sometimes it is necessary to change the day-week factor for a particular business change. This can be done under the Monthly Updates section under Historical Patterns folder. You replace the day-of-week factors by doing the following. Highlight the monthly historical pattern you want to update. Go to Special, Day-of-week factors. Make your changes. Once finished, double check to ensure it was completed. The new day-week factors should be displayed on the General tab. Let me know if this worked for you. To learn more, if you have your own question or have any other consulting needs, not only with Aspect, but any WFM software or workforce management in general, please feel free to reach us at wfm@quovimc3.com.